So if you guys never seen this before, it's an adjustable belt. All right, I only use these as an emergency. I don't use them as an everyday thing, especially for today that I'm literally 4 hours away from the shop. I'm not trying to waste more time to go to the supply store and get a brand new belt. It's just, that ain't gonna happen. So what I'm doing now is measuring out this belt to basically make a custom one. So up to here. So now, I don't know if you guys can see those rivets or whatever they're called. Just twist it and they should come off. So it goes in, you twist it, the second one goes in, twist it, voila. Now turn it around like this, and then just kind of play with it. And let's try it out. You guys see that play? Where again, it's not over tying, it's not too loose, it's perfect. So now, we're gonna start moving some air. But yeah guys, if you guys are new to the trade, I highly recommend you guys get one of those type of belts. They sell us at every supply store, I think. I seen them a lot at RSD, ARS, and Allied. So that's running.